Good morning, class. Last class we have done about flood and the areas that are about. Today our topic is drought. What is drought? Drought means dry. The land when there is not sufficient rainfall, and due to which the vegetation, the agriculture is affected. Shortage of rainfall, which is about 1.1 million hectares of paddy crops is affected. So that effect is being have an shortage of crops as there is no production. See, drought is when there is no rain, so irrigation is not possible, water is not going to the field, so agriculture will not be good. The conditions become worse and lead to famine. Famine means when the mud is drying up, the moisture of the soil is gone, no cultivation can be done, and this affects the kharif crops. Then it is known as drought. Not only kharif crops, I am telling kharif crops, even it can damage rices also. So drought is a situation which occurs by acute deficiency of rainfall in regions. Then its normal pattern for an extended long period of time, leading to general suffering to the people. Drought have serious health, social and economic impacts with far-reaching other consequences also come up with drought. India have been attacked by drought in before independence, 1940s at that time, might be. That means the 40s, not in 40. Before independence, India have suffered a lot. Now, what are the causes of drought? Drought is designed deficiency of rainwater. We know that the deficiency of water vapor in the atmosphere on any area causes less rainfall, and if high pressure and dry air prevails in an area for a long period of time, then less moisture is generated in that area, which is burdened to result as a deflect of water for the area. Sometimes even warm, dry, continental air that moves over an area or a country to cooler air, moist oceanic air, due to shifting of air mass by wind. By wind means the wind is forcing away that cool, moist ocean air to take a different path. El Nino, which affects the ocean water's temperature, also have an impact on the precipitation level because it can shift the air mass above the ocean, often making wet places dry, giving up making it drought. Deforestation for agriculture and building combined with the resultant erosion can cause drought. As soil is moved away from an area, it is less able to absorb than it falls. The consequences of drought may include hunger. Now, hunger, is a very and famine, thirst, disease, and wildfire, because everything is dry and fire can be caught in the dried leaves in jungles. Drought is a slow onset hazard, and it has difficult to predict or declare it. Nobody can predict it. Normally, three types of droughts occur: meteorological drought, because the rain is deflected. Hydrological drought, drying out of natural streams, lowering the level of the underground water goes down. And agricultural drought in which the moisture of the soil is being lost, or there is insufficient of moisture. The amount of moisture that is required to be there in the ground, that is somehow decreasing because there is evaporation occurring. So it is drought. People have to take up steps to stop this drought. Thank you.